In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for products on Alibaba.com using Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, knowing how to navigate this vast marketplace can save you time and ensure you get the best deals available. Let's dive into it. First things first, open your Chrome browser and head over to Alibaba.com. Once there, the search bar is your key tool. Think carefully about the product keywords you want to use. Be specific but concise. This helps filter out irrelevant listings and sharpens your search results. Enter the keywords and give it a go. You're now looking at a wide array of options. To refine your search, utilize the built-in filters such as price range, minimum order quantity, and supplier location. These will help you narrow down your choices to those that are realistically feasible for your needs and budget. Now that you've got a list of potential products, it's time to vet the suppliers. This part is crucial. Carefully check each supplier's ratings and reviews. Look at their customer feedback and the number of transactions they've completed. A high supplier ranking generally indicates reliability and good service. If you see consistently positive reviews, it's a sign that you're on the right track. But if there are any red flags, such as complaints about quality or service, it might be best to steer clear. Once you've identified a few promising suppliers, reach out to them to clarify product details. Communication is key. You want to ensure that the product specifications, like size, color, and material, align with what you want. Inquire about shipping details too, including costs and estimated delivery times. This not only helps clear up any misunderstandings before you make a purchase, but often gives you insight into how responsive and supportive the supplier will be. If you can, always order samples before making a large order. Sampling gives you a first-hand look at the product quality and helps you verify that it matches the online description. It's an investment that can prevent costly mistakes and assure you of the product's standards before you commit to a larger purchase. Now, when you're ready to place an order, it's critical to use secure payment methods, like Alibaba's Trade Assurance. This service protects your payments and offers peace of mind by ensuring that the supplier must meet the terms of the agreement before they receive the funds. Finally, once your order is underway, keep track of your shipment. Make a point to communicate with your supplier if you have any questions or if there are any unexpected changes. Staying in touch not only builds a good relationship, but can also ensure any issues are resolved swiftly, keeping your supply chain running smoothly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming an adept Alibaba.com user. With careful research, clear communication, and secure transactions, you're setting yourself up for success in sourcing products for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing!